Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, labor is normally divided into two large categories. Full stop. One is small organized and the other is called unorganized. Full stop. But I do think that there are two other categories, but one is not sure whether they would fall under either of these two. Full stop. One of them is bonded labor and the other is child labor. Full stop. My honorable friend mentioned very categorically the problem of child labor and that the law that children below 14 years should not work has become irrelevant, especially in match industry which flourishes in my state in Sivakasi and in BD industry because the children have become wage earners who contribute to the overall income of the family, and parents do feel that banning them from employment is not fair. Full stop. But what is unfortunate is that even though the law does exist on record, but when it comes to children and their employment and their future, the state seems to hesitate to vacillate. Full stop. I have found that many a time inspections have taken place and inspectors have come back and given reports that there are no children below 14 working when it is obvious that more than 80% of those who are working in certain industries happen to be below 14 years because it is understood between the parents and the employer and the inspector that it is in everybody's interest that such a report be given. Full stop. It has almost become irrelevant from the point of view of the child. Full stop. I wonder whether you could take up these two arenas with utmost seriousness, the first being child labor and the second being bonded labor. Full stop. I have noticed from your report the figure that you have presented that only 3,000 bonded labor have been rehabilitated. Full stop. Have we really done substantial amount of work in respect of bonded labor? Question mark. A lot of publicity has taken place. Full stop. The Doordarshan has been used very effectively, but when it really comes down to grassroots results, one is shaken to see the figures being almost insignificant. Full stop. I think substantial concentration is required in these two arenas. Full stop. I know there is a lot of contempt in the minds of many in this house for the organized labor. Full stop. There may not be so much from this side, but from the other side I can see many members of this house look upon organized laborers as high wage island members. Full stop. In other words, many of them think that all our organized laborers are in high wage islands. Full stop.